Hi friends, how are you all? This is the video of written sample coding questions. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and kindly visit playlist of written sample coding questions in my channel. If you are a beginner of writing coding, it will definitely help you how to analyze the coding questions in placement examination, how to write the coding. If you are intermediate level, you can refresh and revises the code, so it will help you. Okay, let's come to the problem statement. Swapping the adjacent digits. The problem statement is write a program to swap the adjacent digits in a number, which helps in encrypting and decrypting. Okay, the first line of input consists of an integer encrypted code represented the encrypted code given to the client, and the output is prints an integer representing the decrypted code that can be used for accessing unrequired information. Here the test case one means they are given 6-digit number, right? 5 digit here. We need that means the second number should interchange with the first number. See, swapping 9 3 here 9 3, then 6 3 3 6. The last one should be as it is. If it is a odd length number, if it is an even length number, all the numbers should be interchanged with the adjacent number. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it interchanged with 2 1 4 3 6 5. Yes, right? How we can achieve it, let's discuss here. We need to take integer as input, so we are taking int of input. After that we need to traverse each one, right? So we are converting into the string for loop. For using for loop, we are converting to the string by using str function. And we are converting each after converting into string, we are converting into the list for individual separation of digits. Okay, we are taking empty list here, and we are in order to store the output, we are taking string here. Okay, after that if it is a 6 digit, then for I in range, we need to take from first to last before, because if you want to do something of adjacent operation, we need to take length of n minus 1 here, and we are using step increment of 2. See, we need to add append first element, that means I plus 1. That means if it is 0, we need to append first element less next 0th element. So interchange will happen, right? So the process continues until its end. Okay, if it is 6-digit number, it is okay. If it is 5-digit number, what will happen? It will interchange only 4 digits. After 5th digit, it does not do anything, it won't come. So in order to overcome this, we will using this. If the length of the a, that means if the string length is even, then no problem, because it is by doing step increment it will okay. If it is not there, we need to append last element to the list. Okay, after that we need to add to the string each element in the b. After that they are asking to return the integer, right? So we are returning the integer by converting from string to int by using int function, so that we are printing. Okay, okay, I will show you here by explaining the output. Okay, we need to take one. They are giving an integer, right? So int of input. Okay, let's it as f. After that we are using converting into the string. Okay, after that we are converting into the list. See what will happen here. If we done like this, let's check print a. Check what will happen, we will check here. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will get individual element, right? For doing this, we are doing these 3 statements. Okay, let's erase this. Okay, we need to do we need to have one empty list in order for appending purpose. Okay, please remember this point. And we need to add for adding purpose, we will use string, that means empty string. For concatenation purpose we are taking it. Okay, we are using for loop in order to traverse a. Okay, we are traversing each element, so we need to have step increment, all need to be used, right? So we can't use for I in a. In order to use according to the indexes, we are using range function. So 0 comma please remember this point in mind. If you want to traverse according to the adjacent, we need to put length of n minus 1 it is needed. So we can change here according to this is the one we need to have step increment because I plus 1 it need to be changed, jump from 1 to 3, right? So we are using step increment here. Okay, then we need to append v dot append. What we want to append? First that means first element need to be append. That means here for the first loop, first iteration I becomes 0, right? So now we need to add first element, so we are using I plus 1. Next adding I. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's check if what happen if we don't use that if condition. Let's check. For I in B, string is equal to string plus I. Okay, print int of string. That means that string variable is converted to int and it is printing. Let's check what will happen. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will give 2 1 4 3 6 5 according to our output only. But what will happen if we give only 4 5 6 7 8? That means only 5 digit one. It will only print 5 4 7 6. What about 8? So in order to overcome this, in order to have correct logic, we are checking that if length of a percentile 2 is equal to 0, we are checking it whether it is percentile 2 is equal to 0. That means it is an even length number or odd length number. If it is even length number, we don't need to do anything. If it is odd length number, we need to add last one. N of minus 1 we need to add, otherwise we can also put a of minus 1. Let's check now here 4 5 6 7 8. What will happen? See 5 4 6 7 6 8. Let's check we can put a minus 1 or not. 4 5 6 7 8. See 5 4 7 6 8. We can put anything here. If you want to take append last from the list or any string, we can do it, but don't put f. Okay. So I hope you understand why we use it. This one you will understand easily because in order to have traversing we are using. Why we use this loop wantedly? Because of 5 digit one. Okay, I hope you understand this programming one. And okay, I would like to say past statement. I hope in previous videos I explained about break and continue statement. It is also past statement is also conditional executor statement in Python. What is meant by past statement is the past statement in Python is used to when a statement or condition is required to be present. It is needed to be present in the program, but it does not want to code to execute. Here we check, right? It is needed to be present. Yes, right? So in order to have good syntax, we will write past statement which will be useful. Okay, please remember this point in mind and use it whenever required. And please subscribe my channel. Please don't go without subscribe. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, and don't forget to like. If you have any doubts, please comment in the section. Thank you so much.